Calculate the polarization in a dielectric material with dielectric constant 2.8 and if the electric displacement is 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb per meter square. Here the data given is the dielectric constant, that is it can be represented as K. K is equal to 2.8 and the electric displacement, that is D, can be written as 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb per meter square. And calculate the polarization. So we have studied the equation for polarization in terms of the dielectric constant and also the electric displacement vector. And we have the equation is P is equal to polarization epsilon 0 K minus 1 into E. P is the polarization, epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space, and K is the dielectric constant and E is the electric field. And also we have the equation relating the electric displacement and the dielectric constant, that is epsilon 0 Ek. K is the dielectric constant and E is the electric field, epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space, D is the electric displacement. Here K and D is given, we have to find out P. And from this equation, the second equation, we have to find out E. E from the second equation is E is equal to D divided by epsilon 0 K. And we can substitute the value of E in the first equation. Then we get P is equal to this epsilon 0 K minus 1 into D by epsilon 0 K. And we will get finally then K minus 1 divided by K into D, that is 1 minus 1 by K into D. Also from this equation we can calculate the electric field vector, and from this equation D and substituting D and K and epsilon 0 and then substituting the value of E in this equation, we also get the polarization vector. Here also we can substitute the values of K and D, then we get 1 minus 1 by K is 2.8, D is 3 into 10 raised to minus 7. That is, it is approximately 2.8 minus, that is 1.8 divided by 2.8 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 7. And it is approximately 1.93 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb per meter square. This is the polarization in a dielectric material. Then the second question is calculate the polarization vector of the material which has 100 dipoles per unit volume in a volume of 2 cubes. That is, the polarization vector can be represented as the polarization vector P is equal to N into this dipole moment. Here the N is given as 100 dipoles and P is 2 units. Therefore the polarization will be, that is 100 into 2, that is 200 units. And the next question is an electric dipole consisting of an electron and a proton separated by a distance 4 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter is situated in an electric field of intensity 3 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb at an angle of 30 degree with the field. Calculate the dipole moment and torque acting on it. So here the electric dipole consisting of an electron and proton separated by a distance 4 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, that is D is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. That is, the two charges, positive charge and negative charges, are separated by a distance 4 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. And the charge can be written as Q is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90 coulomb. And hence we can calculate the dipole moment. The dipole moment P is equal to Q into D. And here we can calculate Q into D. Q and D are given. And from Q into D, we can calculate the dipole moment. And the torque acting on it is, we have studied the expression for a torque as N is equal to P cross E. E is the electric field applied and P is the dipole moment. And it can be written as PE sin theta. Here in this equation, the question, theta is given as 10 degree. 10 degree. So we can substitute the values here and finally we get the dipole moment and the torque. So the dipole moment P can be written as P is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 10. And it will be, that is 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 29 coulomb meter, dipole moment, coulomb meter. And the torque N is equal to PE sin theta, that is P is 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 29. E is given, the question is given as E is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. That is 3 into 10 raised to 5 into sine of 10 degree. And this will be finally 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 24 Newton meter. This is the torque experienced by this dipole. And the next question is, find the value of the electron intensity in a material for which the electric susceptibility is 3.5 and the magnitude of electric polarization is 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb per meter square. Here the electric susceptibility is given, that is chi is given as 3.5. And the polarization P is given as 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb meter square, coulomb per meter square. And we have studied the equation relating the electric susceptibility, the polarization and the electric field as, that is the polarization is equal to epsilon 0 chi E, where P is the polarization, epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space, chi E is the electric susceptibility and E is the electric field. So here we have to find out E is equal to P divided by epsilon 0 chi E. That is P already given 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 7 divided by epsilon 0 is 8.8, it's a constant, 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad per meter. Then P is equal to 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 7, epsilon 0 is 8.85 to 10 raised to minus 12, chi is given 3.5. And this will give the value of the electric field as 7.42 into 10 raised to 3 volt per meter.